If your jeans suddenly look cheap, it's not the jeans, it's the colors touching them. If you're styling blue jeans with black, this is where things quietly go wrong. Black next to denim is too harsh. It flattens the outfit and makes jeans look cheaper than they are. Charcoal fixes that instantly. Charcoal keeps the structure of black, but it softens the contrast. It looks intentional, controlled, expensive. If you change nothing else, swap black for charcoal. Your jeans will immediately look more polished. And if you want to soften it even more, add camel. Charcoal gives structure. Camel brings warmth. Together, denim stops looking casual. This outfit is already fine, but black next to denim is too harsh. It flattens everything and makes the jeans look cheaper than they are. Now watch what happens when we swap the black coat for camel. Instantly, the outfit feels intentional, softer, more expensive. The next mistake is reaching for bright white with jeans. Optic white looks sharp, but next to denim, it feels unfinished, almost harsh. Cream fixes that. It softens the contrast, adds warmth, and instantly makes denim look intentional. If you want jeans to look polished instead of casual, choose ivory, oatmeal, or ecru, not bright white. And if you want to take it one step further, add chocolate brown. Cream keeps denim clean. Brown adds depth. This outfit looks expensive because everything stays warm and soft. Now watch what happens when we change just two things. Nothing is technically wrong, but the harmony is gone. The jeans stop feeling intentional. As we already touched on chocolate brown, let's take it further. This is the fastest way to make jeans look expensive. Most people default to black, but black can feel hard next to denim. Chocolate brown does what black tries to do, but softer. It adds depth, looks rich, and makes denim feel intentional instead of casual. If you want one upgrade that changes everything, brown suede shoes, a cocoa belt, or a structured brown bag with jeans. Instant polish. Notice how little you need. The jeans stay the same. The outfit stays simple. Just replacing black with brown shifts the entire mood. That's the difference between casual denim and intentional dressing. I've collected these color rules into one style notes page. It's sent to my email list first. Members get early access. The link is below. We already touched on camel earlier as a way to soften charcoal. Now, let's use it properly. If brown adds depth, camel adds light. This is where denim stops looking everyday and starts looking considered. Camel creates hierarchy. It looks chosen, not automatic. When you want jeans to feel elevated without effort, camel belongs on the outer layer. If you don't like brown or camel, navy is your safest option. Navy does what black does, but without the harsh contrast. It keeps denim structured but softer. Think of navy as black, corrected. If black feels too heavy and brown feels too classic, olive is the modern alternative. Black adds weight, but olive adds depth without darkness. It grounds denim while keeping the outfit soft and intelligent. Nothing dramatic changes, yet the whole look feels calmer and more considered. This is the difference between looking styled and looking intentional. If your outfits feel heavy but not elegant, olive is the color to try. Burgundy is the last color, the one that instantly makes jeans look expensive, not bright red. Burgundy. It works because it's deep, almost like black, but warmer and more refined. Where black can feel sharp, burgundy adds richness without noise. Nothing about the outfit becomes louder, yet everything feels more deliberate. The key is restraint. Let burgundy touch the denim once, a bag, a belt, a pair of boots, and stop. That single accent is what turns a simple jeans outfit into something polished and intentional. If your jeans outfits look fine but never quite expensive, it's because you're missing a system. In the next video, I'll show you a 12-piece winter denim capsule that creates 25 outfits without shopping chaos. Subscribe so you don't miss it. And if you want one more fix right now, watch this next. It explains why sweater fit quietly changes how jeans look.